Microwave versus air fryer combo, the ultimate kitchen counter showdown. Microwaves have long been a staple in kitchens, offering a quick and convenient way to heat up food. But what if you crave that crispy, air-fried texture without sacrificing valuable counter space? Enter the microwave air fryer combo. This ingenious appliance combines the functionality of a microwave with the power of an air fryer, giving you a versatile tool for all your cooking needs. The all-in-one advantage. Let's face it, counter space is precious, especially in smaller kitchens. A microwave air fryer combo eliminates the need for two separate appliances, freeing up valuable real estate for other culinary essentials. Plus, you get a wider range of cooking options at your fingertips. From perfectly reheated leftovers to crispy fries and even baked goods, this combo can handle a variety of dishes, streamlining your meal prep and potentially reducing reliance on your traditional oven. A spectrum of crisp. While microwaves with air fry capabilities can achieve a satisfying crunch, it's important to be realistic about the level of crispness they deliver. Dedicated air fryers often boast more powerful heating elements and specialized fans that circulate hot air more efficiently, resulting in a more consistent and intense crispness. However, for those who enjoy the occasional air-fried treat, or for those looking to achieve a light crisp on vegetables or snacks, a combo appliance can be a great alternative. Unlocking the potential. To maximize the potential of your microwave air fryer, be sure to consult the manufacturer's instructions. They'll often recommend specific modes and accessories designed for air frying, like baskets or trays that promote optimal air circulation. Remember, not all microwave accessories are created equal. Ensure everything you use is microwave safe to avoid any safety issues. Size considerations. When making your decision, consider the size of your microwave air fryer. The capacity of these combo appliances might be a bit smaller compared to a dedicated air fryer. So, if you are planning on air frying large batches of food for a crowd, a standalone model might be a better fit. However, for smaller households or those who plan on using the air frying function for occasional use, a combo appliance can offer ample capacity. Beyond convenience, exploring additional features. Some microwave air fryer combos boast additional features that can further enhance your culinary experience. Look for models with sensor cooking technology that automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for perfectly cooked meals. Convection settings, which use fans to circulate hot air for even cooking, can also be a valuable addition. The final verdict. Ultimately, the choice between a dedicated air fryer and a microwave air fryer combo depends on your priorities. If achieving the absolute best air-fried results is paramount, investing in a standalone appliance might be the way to go. However, for those seeking a space-saving solution that offers a combination of microwave and air frying capabilities, a combo appliance can be a fantastic option. So, weigh your needs, explore the features of different models, and get ready to experience the versatility of a microwave air fryer combo in your kitchen. You might be surprised at how much culinary potential this innovative appliance holds. Think beyond reheating leftovers and frozen dinners. With a little creativity, you can whip up healthier, tastier meals that are sure to impress your family and friends.